Starting around 20 August 2023, Bitcoin money in a real sense is exchanging at $188.79 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. BCH generally has a sort of complete market cap of $3,677,809,184, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $156,830,398, which most certainly is genuinely huge. This for the most part makes Bitcoin money, BCH, beautiful positioning at 19 in the digital currency market, in a kind of significant manner. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Is Bitcoin money an especially wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they fundamentally thought. Will BCH cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a genuinely significant manner? These for the most part are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which essentially is very huge. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost especially is supposed to explicitly cross a very normal value level of $259.46, the normal really least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the especially current year, to generally be $248.26, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $285.43. Or so they really thought. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost for the most part is estimate to truly arrive at an essentially the least cost of $214.92 in an extremely significant manner. The BCH cost could basically arrive at a most extreme cost of $241.78, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $235.06. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost for the most part is conjecture to by and large arrive at an in a real sense the least cost of $228.57, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The BCH cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $253.53, with the kind of typical expected cost around $239.77, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin money, BCH value figure October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at an extremely least worth of $235.61, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost really is around $263.12 in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense normal cost for BCH for the most part is truly anticipated to essentially reach $244.56 in October 2023, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin money value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could by and large stretch around $275.35 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 generally is $242.94, with a truly normal cost of $251.90, kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost in a real sense is estimate to fundamentally arrive at and in every way that really matters, least cost of $228.57, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could fundamentally stretch around $285.43 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 in a real sense is $248.26 with a by and large normal cost of $259.46 Bitcoin money, genuinely past value examination and the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been for the most part diminished by 0.35%. in its kind of current worth, which for the most part is very critical. In the event that we basically look at the kind of current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money certainly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in a genuinely significant manner. The BCH basically is down to nearly 17.81% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for in every practical sense. Past genuinely couple of days, the coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for essentially at the same time. We don't really imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, which sort of shows that the coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past beautiful few days, the coin could have serious areas of strength for certainly. However, we don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in especially transient in an especially significant manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the really current cost and sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it essentially is seen that Bitcoin money truly has expanded 28.687% in its worth. The kind of typical really lease cost for the month is $130.31, while genuinely greatest certainly normal cost generally was $134.63, demonstrating the way that the BCH cost could in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $241.78. With the truly normal expected cost around $235.06, which by and large is very huge. This suggests that this coin in a real sense is a reasonable resource and another expansion too for the most part. Your arrangement of coins for truly long haul, so assuming you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money sort of be extremely worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? The 90 days cost change truly is around 30.19%, and the cost essentially circled from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of $125.38 to truly greatest especially normal cost of $134.83 in the in every practical sense recent days, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. In absolute most recent 4 months Bitcoin money certainly has shown a developing pattern, which for the most part is very huge. Consequently, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, or so they by and large thought. As per irrefutably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money really is expanded from 4 months, showing how in a real sense is Bitcoin money a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023.